Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to add a channel topic on Discord. So first things first, we are going to need to pick out a channel we want to add the topic to. So I'm going to pick this How to Libraries channel. We're going to pick this channel and I'm just going to slide my finger to the left and we'll bring us here. And then on the top right corner, there's a little person icon. We're going to click on that. And then we have threads, pins, notifications, and settings. We're going to click on the settings icon. And we have channel name and then channel topic. So as channel topic, we're just going to write some things like just talking with some friends and making videos. And then we're going to click on the top right corner on the save icon. And it saves. As you can see right under the name, it says just talking with some friends and making videos. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.